All right, Chris, I'm going to see what UpCode says about that. That's not a straightforward question. So, I mean, obviously, I did a lot of lows that did not provide a rated separation, but I can't tell you why off the top of my head. So, here is their AI product here, CodePilot. So, I will ask it, do I need fire separation between mercantile and high piled storage? My guess is yes, you do. High piled storage does carry additional requirements versus regular storage. So I know we worked uh, with Lowe's. They had a specialized, well, not specialized, but based on their sprinkler system, the smoke exhaust fans we had on the top of those stores. I don't recall having to rate it, but there are more variables, and that's what this will show you. So I will ask this AI a code related question, and it will uh, parse the code for any sections that relate to it. So to me, this down here is the most value, almost the most valuable, because I'm not necessarily going to trust this answer because it's, it's that's not what it's meant to do. It's meant to point you in the right direction. I still have to make the decisions on what's appropriate and what's not. Of course, would never trust this program to do that. So, but it can point me in the right direction, and that's what I'm trying to do because I just want to use this to cut down on the time it takes me to get to where I need to go. So, expand these. So now you have all the sections that this product thinks is related to high piled storage. So, according to Oklahoma Fire Code, so first they should be referencing, they're not referencing the right code here. I'm not sure why. It should be 2018 at this point. So, anyways, but that'll still get us in the right direction. So, again, another example or another reason why you cannot use this to just give you answers because some of it is just going to be wrong. So, that is wrong. So that's the first example of why you need to be careful. I think the rest will get something from it though. High piled storage areas must be separated from other portions of the building. Da 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 da. Mercantile high must be separated following the International Building Code section 3206.3.1. So good. Immediately we have a section we can go to. So go here. I'm gonna keep this open and then I don't even know if that's the appropriate place to show it, but there it recognizes it. So here we are now in high piled storage. So I'm not going to give you the answers. As a plan reviewer, it's never my job to tell you how to do yours, but I will point you in the directions I think you need to go as an architect or project manager to find the answers because they're the places I would go to check for compliance. So that's kind of the role that we see ourselves in. So I think this will be a good start. I'm going to copy clip this out for you. And just as a tool you can use to, do quick code research, to me, it's completely worth I think I paid $30 a month for that service, but based on what I do, I felt it was valuable enough for me to pay for it. So let's get over here to my buddy. So again, now this is part of the paid part of it. Now for simple code questions, you do have the ability as part of the free service to just research, do code word searches, which is helpful. But really, the paid format, I could go through so many things here that could help you. So really, the diagramming is one of the more spectacular functions. So you find there are diagrams to help clarify certain parts of the code. So definitions, what they mean by egress, shared egress path, and just the confusing verbiage and nomenclature that we deal with in this business. These diagrams really can assist with that. So, I mean, I can't even tell you how important this product is to me personally because it's just, and but I was using it, starting in 2017 is when I got on board with it. So I've been using it a long time. Anyways, I'm going to quickly clip this video. I'll upload it to YouTube and you can use it as you see fit. Have a good day.